boys and girls. Today we are going to be reviewing actually the next 15 of our kindergarten sight words. The reason that I'm doing a few extra ones is because a lot of these words are going to be number words and color words, and they're typically a little bit easier for us to remember than some of our more tricky ones. So just like we do in the classroom, we're going to go ahead. I'm going to write the word on the board. You're going to read it one time. We'll clap it out, or you can pat yourself on the knees or on your legs to spell the word, and then we will read it again. I encourage you to go back and watch this video along with the other sight word videos I've already posted daily, just to keep you practicing your sight words just like we do when we're sitting on the rug in our classroom. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write the word, and I will read them and spell them along with you. Here we go. Two. TWO2. And remember, this is the number 2. So if we were using it in a sentence, we would be using it where we're talking about how many of something we have, like I have 2 cats or I have 2 shoes. Three. THREE 3. Four. FOUR 4. And again, this is the number 4, so this would be saying I have 4 flowers, not saying that I am giving a gift for my brother. Okay, we're talking about the number of something that we have. Five. FIVE 5. Here. HERE, here. This type of spelling of the word here is talking about a place, not saying something that you can hear with your ears, but talking about playing here at the park or going to watch a video over here. Okay, it's talking about where you're going to do something. Go. GO, go. From. FROM, from. Yellow. YELLOW, yellow. Blue. BLUE, blue. Another color word. Green. GREEN, green. What. WHAT, what. Was. WAS, was. Said. SAID, said. Where. W-H-E-R-E, where. This type of the spelling for the word where is often used as a question. So asking where somebody is. If you are asking a question, remember, and writing it down in a sentence, you're going to want to end your sentence with a question mark because it's asking a question and it wants an answer from somebody. Okay. So a lot of the times when we use this, we could say, where are your shoes? Okay. We would end our sentence with our question mark. The last sight word that we're going to be reviewing for this week is this one. Any. A-N-Y, any. Okay. Now that we've practiced those next 15 sight words that we've learned in kindergarten so far, I encourage you again to watch this video a few times just so that you are continuing to practice reading and spelling those sight words. It's also a good idea to be practicing them in a sentence. So if I wanted to write a sentence using one of my words from this week, I will use the word yellow because we know that yellow is Mrs. Rose's favorite color. I could say, I like yellow. I'll just leave it at that. I like yellow. Okay. If I'm writing a sentence, a good strategy that we've practiced is counting how many words are in our sentence. I like yellow. Okay. So that's 3 sentences or 3 words in our sentence. If it does help you remember, you can write the lines on your piece of paper to help remember how many words that you're going to be writing. And I know it is hard to write sometimes our sight words when we don't have our sight word wall in front of us, but do your best with it if you are practicing. And remember, I do have a lot of sight words that we've learned this year already posted on my YouTube channel, so you can always go back and look at those. They're also listed on my Padlet as well, so you're able to see the spelling of them. So again, my sentence, I like yellow. The first word in my sentence is the word I. We remember that we always start our sentence with an uppercase letter, and whenever we write the word I, we also always use it with an uppercase. I like. We need to leave some finger space here in between our words. Like is a sight word that we do know, L-I-K-E. Okay. I like yellow was my last word. Now, because I'm on such a small board, I don't have enough space here to squeeze it in. I'm going to sweep down and go to the left underneath where I've already started. So all the way over here, and I would practice writing my word yellow. Okay, my words do have finger spaces between them. I do have an uppercase letter in the beginning, but I am missing my punctuation at the end. I'm just telling you a sentence. I'm not really shouting it. I'm not asking a question. So I'm just going to use a regular period at the end of it. Okay. I always want to check, make sure that I have all of the things that I need after I think I'm done. I like yellow. Okay, so it is a good idea to practice writing some sight word sentences. That's something that we did a lot of in the classroom. You can use the words from this week to try to come up with sentences. You don't have to do them all in one day. That would be 15 sentences, which is kind of a lot. But you can go ahead and do that as best you can. Okay, thank you for practicing your sight words with me, friends.